Hi everybody, it's Karen from So Creative in Ashland, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite ways to make half square triangles. So this is a half square triangle, equal amounts of fabric on both sides. And I like using triangle paper. So this is triangle paper. It comes in lots of different sizes. My favorite size is 4-inch finished, but it comes in half sizes as well as whole sizes. So the way I do it is I put two pieces of fabric right sides together, and I put my darkest fabric on the top, and I put my triangle paper on top of that, and I would put a pin in all of these spots and sometimes in the middle to hold it in place while I'm stitching. I'm going to use a smaller stitch length, and I'm going to stitch right along the dashed lines and just follow the arrows. I don't worry if I decide to go against the arrows, it's not a problem. When I get to the end here, I'm going to just sew across and connect to the arrows again. When I get to the end here, I go on to my fabric off the paper, back onto the paper until all of the seams are done. Then I'm going to cut exactly on every solid line and the diagonal lines too. So what I'm going to end up with is 2 triangles out of 1 square. When I open the triangle up, I'm going to have a half square triangle. So because I have put my darkest fabric on top, when I go to iron, I am going to iron toward the dark. You can see that's how I like to do it. And once again, I really like to use my liquid in my pen so that I can get my fabric to lay really nice and flat and stay flat. And you can see there's little bunny ears sticking out here. So when I'm doing my rotary cutting, what I like to do is cut an angle so that I don't have the bunny ears. But if you're not sure what angle to cut at, you can iron first and then cut off the bunny ears. Either way is not a problem. But you can see that because I cut at an angle, I don't have those bunny ears. Now, when I am ready to pull the paper out, let's cut these little guys off real fast. So when I'm ready to pull the paper out, I stick my fingernail right in the middle and I pull from the center out to the outside. And usually the paper comes off really easily. And because I'm using triangle paper and doing everything at the same time, I don't have bias that I have to worry about when I'm putting the 2 triangles together. So I get very accurate triangles, and it's one of my favorite ways. And maybe next week I'll show you a different way. Thanks for watching.